What's up, traders? Going 2 for 3 with one break-even trade today. Let's get to it. All right, traders. So we had 2 trades on OCGN. One was break-even, and then we had 1 trade on I something. I don't remember. We'll get to it when we get there. It was, here, I'll tell you, maybe IMH. So first one here on OCGN, just going to keep these sped up. If you want to watch them in real time, just go to half speed. And as you'll see, we just started a position here, tried to get up through 750, basically kind of forcing this trade. We were getting pretty bored. As you can see, it was almost 10 o'clock. And this was kind of the first real move that we had seen all day. Drawing the previous resistance line there, and just kind of trying to front run it, just looking for a little bit of a scalp. We get within, I think, 2 cents and just can't get a fill, and we end up breaking even on this thing. Was completely fine with it trying to go through 750 here, but it didn't. And so yeah, it started to become a grinder, and once we realized that, we decided to just go ahead and take it off, which is what we ended up doing. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward a little bit, and you can kind of see that we are now, what, 4 minutes into the future here. As you can see, we missed seed there. It unhalted and just completely missed that one. And this one starts to go a little bit higher. And as you can see, we end up getting out of this break even as it pops up. So that was the first trade on OCGN. Then we get a second opportunity here. OCGN does end up making a little bit of a move. Looking for it to double top around that 770 area. I'm not sure if we get in a little bit earlier than that, but we will see. Here it goes. I think we're just kind of looking for some kind of a jiggle here, and we just kind of started there. Just looking for it to double top. It's a pretty decent little squeeze for how this thing was trading. So that's kind of what we were looking at, and we're just looking for that 750 to retest. And I believe it ends up coming back down. And I think we end up taking, or we get ready to take it off for a little bit higher because it keeps stopping here at 758. So I think we were getting prepared to just, take it off for an even smaller win. And I think we dragged the order up, if I remember correctly. Or nope, it actually fills it. So that must be on IMH where we do that. And then our final trade. Obviously, I'm going right off the live stream today. If you want to go through and watch these yourself, feel free. And yeah, here we go. So IMH right off the scanner. I remember asking, I was like, what was the news on this? Because it was obviously volume out of nowhere. I was ready to just play this thing. But I believe we get a little bit more of a push here up through 240. Or I put the order in at 240. Yep. And I actually went to fill it lower than 247, but it actually filled us like right before that. And then if you want to watch, I mean, this is 2x speed, but watch how quick this happens. Went to fill it lower, got the fill, went through 50, got rejected. And then we just put an order out to get filled, and it ended up coming down. We were on the bid. It wouldn't fill us. I saw the ask come down to 232, and we took it off. Ended up being a pretty nice, quick scalp there. So that was my trades. That was really all we could find today. It was a pretty slow morning. And yeah, that's all I got. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Always appreciate the support. If you have any questions, if you have any questions or comments, leave those down below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace.